In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes in iPhone. So go ahead and grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together, nice and calmly like we're fixing it right now. Start from your home screen and open up the Settings app, just tap on that grey gear icon. Once settings open, stay right there for a second because everything we need is inside this menu. Now look toward the top portion of the settings screen and find the option that says Media and Purchases. Go ahead and tap on that. A small menu will pop up and from there tap on View Account. At this point your iPhone may ask you to verify your identity either with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Just complete that part so you can continue. Once you're inside your account page, you'll see different sections related to your Apple ID and App Store usage. Take a moment here and then tap on Manage Payment. This is an important part of the process because a lot of App Store and iTunes account issues happen due to problems with payment information. Now that you're in the payment management screen, carefully look over all the details listed here. Check that your payment method is valid, not expired, and that all the information is correct. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and billing details are accurate. If you see anything that looks outdated or incorrect, that can be the reason your account was disabled. Even if everything looks fine at first glance, take your time and double check everything again. Sometimes even a small mismatch or expired detail can trigger Apple to temporarily disable App Store and iTunes access as a security measure. This step is all about making sure Apple's system sees your account as valid and up to date. After confirming that all your payment information is correct, you can back out of this screen and return to the main settings page. There's no need to change anything else here unless you notice an error. Once your payment details are confirmed and accurate, Apple's system usually restores access automatically after some time. If you've just corrected something, give it a little while and then try opening the App Store again. In many cases, the disabled message will disappear once Apple recognizes that your account information is now correct. You don't usually need to restart the phone for this, but it's okay to do so if you want to refresh things. So to quickly recap, all you're doing here is opening settings, going into media and purchases, viewing your account, tapping on manage payment, and carefully checking that all your information is correct. This simple check fixes the issue for a lot of users and helps get App Store and iTunes access working again. If the message still shows after confirming everything, it usually means Apple needs a bit more time to review the account, but making sure your payment details are correct is the first and most important step. And that's how you fix the "Your account has been disabled from App Store and iTunes" message on your iPhone.